How to claim for dental services in Medibank. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can claim for dental services in Medibank. How do you get about this? The first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Medibank account. Once you're logged in, once you open the Medibank app and then you log in, to log in, you have to input your email and your password. And then click login. I won't be able to log in or register because the Medibank is only for Australian citizens. I am not in Australia, so I'll be explaining how you go about it. So once you're logged in into your account, the next thing for you to do is to note that there are different dental services available at Medibank. You can get the dental surgery in the hospital, you can get a dental surgery in the chair, you can get a major dental, and you can get a general dental. For the general dental, you can make a claim in two ways. The first way is by on the spot with your Medibank membership card or digital card if they offer iCaps or iSofts. Through the card, you would know what to do. Alright, and then the next thing is by claiming it online, that is on the site, like I was saying earlier. So for you to lay this claim, just log in into your account. Once you're logged into your account, go to the health support or health and well-being. Once you click on it, select data health services, then select data services. When you select data services, select the one that pertains to you. If it's for dental surgery in hospital, dental surgery in the chair, major dental or general dental, just go ahead, select it and read the offstring instruction. Yes, through reading it, you will be directed on what to do. So this is how you can claim for dental services in Medibank. Thanks for watching.